All right, everybody, I'm going to have a giveaway. I'm giving this stuff away because it's, I've replaced this stuff with newer stuff. And, I don't like to try to sell this kind of crap, online. And I don't like to waste my time doing that crap. So I'm just going to give this stuff away. It's too nice to throw in the garbage can. If it was some crappy quadcopter, I might step on it and throw it in the trash, but this is something that somebody could use. So I'm just going to have a giveaway for it, and then if you want it, just put in there, it's a dash cam. You want the dash cam. And I'm going to have the drawing on May 20th, and the rules are U.S., Canada, Mexico only. I might have a giveaway in the future, overseas giveaway, but that's going to be a gift card. I'm not sending any more packages to Europe. I'm very disappointed in how long it takes for these people to get these packages. I send them, the first class, man, but it takes, I don't know what's going on with all that. So I'm sure a letter wouldn't take that long. If you just mailed a letter with a gift card in it, I'm sure it wouldn't take 6 weeks, So I'm just not going to do that anymore. It's just not worth it. It wasn't like it wasn't like it cost money. It was just the hold up on getting them over there. Anyway, what I'm going to give away, and actually I never used this dash cam for a dash cam. I'm going to tell you what else you can do with these things, which is pretty cool. I use this for a security cam. This is the camera right here. I'm going to unplug it real quick. This is it right here. It's called the Ragu W23 HD car camera. There's the manual right there. And I'm going to throw a little 4 gig card in there. That's not going to store a lot. You want to put a 32 in there to be able to get, 12, 13 hours. I don't know what you're going to get out of a 4 gig. Maybe a couple hours at the most. But it's real nice. It works great. But what I was using it for, what I found you can do with these is if you buy one of those little adapters, those little cigarette lighter adapters that you put into a plug. Well, all of these dash cams have a real long cord with them. So you can move them anywhere in your car, back window, front window, side window, whatever. But I would plug this in, not this one here. I never actually opened this one. From my other dash cams, I have a few of those things. But I would use that one for this. But you plug this thing into the little adapter, and then you plug this end here into the camera, which goes in right here. And you can mount this in your window. Okay, or you could mount it on your front door, of your house, and it could watch everybody walking by, or in the front window of your house, in your living room window, and it can watch everybody go by. And it has all these. This thing has a lot of features on it. The manual is pretty self-explanatory. It's even got a mini HDMI port on there, which is right there. There's the mini HDMI port. That's so you don't have to unplug the memory card. You can just leave the memory card in there and plug in the HDMI cord and plug that into the computer or whatever, wherever you have an HDMI access to it. It has a 170 degree lens. It does 1080p, has a microphone. It even has this little feature where it will blur out license plates. I never used it, but it says on here, it tells you how to do it. It has your 12-volt car charger, HDMI TV out, has the G sensor, which means if you get in a crash or anything like that, it'll automatically save that file in a different folder on the memory card. So if you get in a crash and you can't find the file, it's in another folder. It saves those. All those dash cams do that. They save the wrecks in another folder. And it has motion detection too, so you can set it up for motion detection, which is what I was using it for as the security camera. I had it set on motion detection, so when anybody would walk by, it would start recording. So the memory card for that function will last a long time if it's just doing motion detection. But now if you've got it sitting in the window and there's some damn tree sitting there and it's windy all the time, it's going to always go off, so you don't want to have that. Now it has a little built-in lithium-ion battery, but in my experience with all the dash cams I have, these things only last for a couple of minutes. They last long enough for you to be able to get the thing plugged in. They'll go for a minute or two and then they'll take a crap. It will support the 32 gigabyte card, and it has wide dynamic range. And in the package, it just says the dash cam, the mounting thing, the cord that you plug it in with in the car, and then it's got another USB cord for you to transfer stuff with it. I don't even know what that's for, but whenever I used it, I always just took the memory card out and plugged it into my little memory card adapter. That's how I did it. I didn't do that crap. So, and that's about it. The instructions are very well written, so it's very easy to figure out. So I'm gonna give the dash cam away, and because I have extra room in this box, okay, there's extra room in there, okay, so just for the hell of it, I'm throwing away my old webcam. I'm gonna throw that in, okay. This is my old one. I got the new Logitech 90 something, but this is the Logitech C270 right here. So, I mean, even if you don't need one of these, you can give it to somebody that might need one, Who knows? I'm just going to throw it in there because I got room in the box. I mean, I could probably there's probably room in the box for a big pile of money, but I'm not throwing that in there. I'm throwing in this. So that's going to be included. If you want to win the dash cam, just leave a comment. Oh, yeah, I want to win the dash cam. And then I'll know it's subscribers only. You know the rules on all that crap. And that's basically about it, guys. I'm just trying to feel better from my salmonella. Okay? I'm getting over it little by little. It's been a pretty rough road here for the last week. Believe me. So that's about it. Just you have to be a subscriber, US, Canada, Mexico, and just put on there, I want to win the dash cam. It's a nice dash cam. Okay, you're going to be, whoever gets it and uses it, going to be very happy with it because it takes real nice video. But I got this one, I bought a new one, a Vantru, which are real nice dash cams. It even has the image stabilization on it and all that crap. So the Vantru ones are real nice, So I'm just going to use that one because it's working great. So I'm not having any problems with that. So, all right, guys. I can't think of anything else right at the moment. I'm getting ready to take that Phantom you see over my shoulder out and fly it around a little bit. Maybe the Mavic Air a little bit later. All right, everybody. Have a nice day. Good luck. Oh, the drawing will be on May the 20th at 7 o'clock. Okay? All right. Bye.